Are you wondering how to change your email in Asana? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do. So all you basically need to do is log into your Asana account. It doesn't matter what interface you're on. It doesn't matter whether you're within a project. It doesn't matter whether you're on the home interface. But what you need to do is you need to click on your account icon in the top right hand of the screen. And from here, you want to click My Settings. Once you do that, you'll notice that your email address is blocked out, so you can't actually change it there. And that's probably one of the reasons why you came here today, to find out what you need to do. Well, the solution is pretty simple. All you need to do is click on Email Forwarding. And then at the bottom here, you just need to click Add New Email. Type in your email address, make sure it's all correct, and then type in your Asana password, so what you use to get into your account. Click the send verification email, and then what's going to happen is Asana is going to send you an automated email to your new email address, and it will basically just say something like, do you want to confirm that you're adding this new kind of email to your account? So go into that verification email, press OK or accept. And then once you've done that, head back into your Asana account, so back into here, or maybe leave this tab open. And then what you need to essentially do is you will need to click Remove Email. And then you type in your previous email address that you no longer want to have in your Asana account and that you have been previously logged into. So once you do that, you'll go through the verification process again, and then it's all done. And then from then on in, you'll be signing in with your new email address that you set up, and you will then use that for your account. So I hope this video is useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue recording videos like this. And do consider subscribing to my channel as well. I've got a lot of videos on Asana training. I've got a whole playlist on training for Asana. I'm just using the tool in general and getting the most out of it. So do consider viewing that as well. So with all that said, I hope you have an excellent day.